Hi everyone. Today start now the new article is differential amplifier. Okay. Generally the differential amplifier are used in instrumentations and industrial application. Okay. In the this differential amplifier is mostly used in the instrumentation and industrial applications. Okay. To amplify the difference between the two input signals. Okay. Two input signals amplification करण्यासाठी इन इंस्ट्रुमेंटेशन अँड इंडस्ट्रियल ॲप्लिकेशनमध्ये डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर हा यूज केला जातो. ओके. सच ॲज आउटपुट ऑफ द फेदर bridge circuit in a differential amplifier. Okay, preferred in these applications because they are able to reject the common mode, that is the common mode rejection ratio in a common mode noise. Okay, voltages than the signal input circuit such as the inverting and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, in that here we study here the differential arrangement of the differential amplifier with negative feedback we clearly according to the number of the operational amplifier used. Okay, in this differential amplifier, differential arrangement of the differential amplifier or different arrangement of the differential amplifier with a negative feedback. Okay, here used in a negative feedback we clarify the according to the numbers of the operational amplifiers used here. Okay, in this consist of three different types of the differential amplifier used in a different number of the operational amplifiers. Okay, in that the first differential amplifier with one amplifier, second differential amplifier with two amplifier, third differential amplifier with the three amplifier. Okay, used in a different amplifiers. Okay, in a differential amplifier in a negative feedback. Okay, in that first we see the differential amplifier with one amplifier. Okay, in that here differential amplifier with one amplifier. Okay, in that the figure shows the differential amplifier with one amplifier. Okay, this shows the figure. In that from circuit it is the reads that the differential amplifier, okay, it's combination of inverting and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, in that the combination of the inverting and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, here there are the two inputs. Okay, here there are the two inputs Vx and Vy. Okay, two inputs Vx and Vy. So use the superposition theorem. Here use the superposition theorem to establish relation between the input and output. Okay, establish between the relation of the input and output by using the superposition theorem. Okay, when in that when Vy is equal to 0 volt. Okay, when the Vy is equal to 0 volt, the configuration becomes an inverting amplifier. Hence the output due to Vx only. Okay, जेव्हा Vy हे इनपुट काय असेल इथं 0 असेल, that means the Vy input is connected to the ground, so Vy is equal to 0 volt. Okay, in this configuration becomes an inverting amplifier, hence the output is due to the only one the Vx. Okay, in that Vx, okay, here right now the Vox output voltage Vox is equal to minus Ref upon R1 into Vx. These are the equation number first. Okay, here Vy is equal to 0 volt. This configuration becomes an the inverting amplifier, hence the output due to the Vx only. Okay, Vox output voltage is equal to minus Ref upon R1 into Vx. These are the equation number 1. Okay, similarly in that when the Vx is equal to 0. Okay, जेव्हा इथं काय असेल, in this figure shows the Vx input voltage Vx is equal to 0. That means the Vx input is connected to the ground. Okay, then this configuration is non-inverting amplifier. Okay, having a voltage divider network composed of the R2. Okay, composed of the R2 and R3 here. R2 and R3. Okay, at the non-inverting input. Okay, and at the non-inverting input. Okay, so here V1 is equal to, okay, here the V1 is equal to R3 upon R2 plus R3, okay, into Vy, okay, and the output to Vy is, these are the input voltage. V1 is equal to, when the Vx is equal to 0, then input voltage V1 is equal to R3 upon R2 plus R3 into Vy, and the output gives to the Vy, okay, output gives to the, here when the Vx is equal to 0, then output is the V0y, okay, is equal to, in bracket 1 plus Rf upon, here right now the output voltage V0 y is equal to, in bracket 1 plus Rf is the feedback resistor and R1 is the input resistor into the input voltage V1, okay. In that, right now the put on the input voltage value, okay, in a V1, here right now this equation is the 1 plus feedback resistor Rf upon R1, okay, in bracket complete, then R3 upon R2 plus R3. These are the input voltage V1 into the Vy, into Vy, okay. Therefore, since in that R1 is equal to, in that the R1 is equal to R2 and Rf feedback resistor is equal to the R3 resistor, okay, then these values is put in the this equation, okay. Here right now the these values is put in the equation. Voy is equal to, output voltage is equal to, output voltage Voy is equal to R2 plus R3, okay, upon R1 into, here into Rf feedback resistor upon R2 plus R3, okay, into Vy, okay. Then right now the equation output voltage Voy is equal to Rf upon R1, okay, Rf upon R1. So here cancel the R2 plus R3, R2 plus R3, okay. So here Rf upon R1 into Vy. These are the equation number 2nd, okay, these are the equation number 2nd. Thus from the equation 1st and 2nd, here equation 1st and 2nd, the net output voltage, okay, net output voltage V0 is equal to, V0 is equal to Vox plus Voy, okay, output voltage V0 is equal to Vox plus Voy. Here right now the Vox and Voy, okay, here right now the minus Vox is the minus Rf upon R1, okay, into Vx plus Ref upon R1 into Vy, okay. Here right now the common factor is right now the minus Ref upon R1 in bracket Vx minus Vy, okay. So here right now the output voltage V0 is equal to minus Rf upon R1 in a Vx minus Vy is the Vxy, okay, Vx minus Vy is, that means the Vxy, and in that the voltage gain, here right now the voltage gain A0, okay, voltage gain A0 is equal to V0 upon Vxy, that is equal to minus Ref upon R1, okay. In that the voltage gain is the A0 is equal to V0 upon Vxy, that is the is equal to minus Ref feedback resistor upon the R1, that means the in that the ratio of the feedback resistor into the input resistor R1, okay. Note the gain of the differential amplifier is same as that of the inverting amplifier, okay. In this the note down the gain of the differential amplifier is same that of the inverting amplifier, okay, by using the वन ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायर. आपण काय केलं याच्यामध्ये वन ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायर यूज करून डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर बघितला आणि इन दिस गिव्स द आउटपुट इज द ऑर आउटपुट इन अ व्होल्टेज गेन इन आउटपुट डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर इज सेम दॅट ऑफ द इन्व्हर्टिंग ॲम्प्लिफायर. इन्व्हर्टिंग ॲम्प्लिफायर सारखा सेम ॲज इट इज ॲज अ डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायरचा व्होल्टेज गेन आपल्याला भेटलेला बाय युजिंग द वन ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायर. ओके, सेकंड वन इज द डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर विथ टू ॲम्प्लिफायर्स. ओके, second one is the differential amplifier with two operational amplifiers. Okay, here figure shows the two operational amplifiers by using the two operational amplifiers. Okay, in this figure shows. Okay, in that, to increase the gain of the differential amplifier. Okay, to increase the gain of the differential amplifier and also increase the input resistance. Use two operational amplifiers. Okay, here use the two operational amplifiers. Okay, as shown in this the figure, use the two operational amplifiers. Okay, the characteristics of this amplifier. Okay, these amplifier are identical to two of the non-inverting amplifier. Okay, those of the non-inverting amplifier. Okay, this circuit is compared of two stage. Okay, the non-inverting amplifier and the inverting and the differential amplifier with the अनइक्वल गेन. म्हणजे काय केलेलं आहे, हे जे सर्किट असेल ते कशाशी कंपेअर केलेलं आहे, कंपेअर ऑफ द टू डिफरंट स्टेज. ओके, विच टू डिफरंट स्टेज? फर्स्ट स्टेज इज द नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग एम्प्लिफायर. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेज इज द नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग एम्प्लिफायर and second stage is the differential amplifier with unequal gain. Okay, by finding the gain. Okay, here by find out the gain of these two stages. Okay, we can obtain the overall gain of the circuit. Okay, याच्यामध्ये काय करणार आहे आपण फर्स्टला, तर टू फाइंड आउट द गेन्स ऑफ द टू डिफरंट स्टेजचे गेन आपण फाइंड आउट करणार आहे. देन वी कॅन ऑब्टेन द ओव्हरऑल गेन ऑफ दिस सर्किट. ओके, म्हणजेच दोन ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायर यूज केले, दोन्ही ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायरचे गेन आपण फाइंड आउट करणार आहे. देन फायनल जो ह्या सर्किटचं जे फायनल गेन असेल तो आपण ओव्हरऑल गेन हा सर्किटचा कॅल्क्युलेट करणार. ओके, इन दॅट फर्स्ट द आउटपुट ऑफ VZ. हिअर output of VZ, that means the output of the first amplifier. Okay, output of VZ of the first stage. Okay, these are the first stage. First amplifier काय असेल हा first stage, second is the this. Okay, second amplifier. Okay, in that the output of the VZ of the first stage. Here right now the output of the first stage amplifier VZ. Okay, here right now the VZ is equal to in bracket 1 plus R3 upon R2. Okay, into Vy. These are the equation number first. Okay, in the output of VZ of the first stage किंवा फर्स्ट ॲम्प्लिफायरचा आउटपुट काय असणार आहे, VZ is equal to 1 plus R3 upon R2. Okay, into Vy. By applying the superposition theorem, here by applying the first stage superposition theorem to the second stage. Okay, you can obtain the output voltage. second stage ला काय करणार आहे आपण, superposition theorem हा अप्लाय करणार आहे. देन obtain the output by the second stage amplifier. Okay, in that here V0 is equal to VOZ. Okay, that means the output of the Z node, that means the first stage amplifier plus output of the second stage amplifier. Okay, VOX. Okay, here right now the VOZ and VOX in this equation is equal to minus VOZ is the RF upon R1 into VZ. Okay, and plus here right now the VOX is the minus in bracket 1 plus RF upon R1 bracket complete Vx. These are the equation number second. Okay, समजलं इक्वेशन कसं आलेलं आहे, आउटपुट ऑफ द सेकंड स्टेज amplifier. Okay, and these are the equation number 1 is the output of the first stage amplifier. Okay, substituting the value of the VZ from the equation number 1. काय करणार याच्यामध्ये, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द VZ ही इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करणार आहे. ओके, इन दॅट आउटपुट व्होल्टेज V0 इज इक्वल टू मायनस RF फीडबॅक रेजिस्टर. ओके, अपॉन इनपुट रेजिस्टर R1 इन ब्रॅकेट 1 प्लस R3 अपॉन R2. ओके, इंटू Vy. Okay, here plus 1 plus RF upon R1 bracket complete Vx. Okay, these are the substituting value of the VZ from the equation number 1. Okay, here right now the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, output voltage V0 is equal to minus feedback resistor R1 ratio of the feedback resistor into the input resistor R1 in bracket 1 plus R3 upon R2 into Vy plus 1 plus ratio of the feedback resistor RF into the input resistor R1 into Vx. Okay, here right now the R1 is equal to R3 resistor. Okay, and RF is equal to R2 resistor. Here consider the R1 is equal to R3 and RF is equal to R2. Okay. So right now or put down this value in this equation. Okay. Here right now the output voltage V0 is equal to minus RF feedback resistor upon input resistor R1 plus in bracket 1 plus R1 upon RF. Okay, bracket complete in a VY. Then plus in bracket 1 plus feedback resistor RF upon the input resistor R1 into Vx. Okay, here this equation is the right now in the common factor. Here right now the minus in bracket RF upon R1 plus 1 Vy plus in bracket 1 plus RF upon R1 bracket complete in a Vx. Okay, then right now the common factors here, right now the 1 plus RF upon R1 and second bracket is the Vx plus Vx minus Vy. Okay, here right now the again common factor is the output voltage V0 is equal to in bracket 1 plus RF feedback resistor upon the input resistor R1, then second bracket is the Vx minus Vy. Okay, both are the input voltages Vx minus Vy. Here right now the output voltage V0 is equal to in bracket 1 plus RF upon R1. Okay, Vx minus Vy means the Vxy. These are the equation number 3. Okay, Vx minus Vy, that means the Vxy. These are the equation number 3. Okay, where here right now where the Vxy is equal to Vx minus Vy. Where the Vxy is equal to Vx minus Vy. Okay, note that this similar to the gain of the non-inverting amplifier. Okay, similar to gain of the non-inverting amplifier A0. Okay, is equal to V0 upon Vxy. That means the is equal to 1 plus RF upon R1. Okay, these are the similar gain of the non-inverting amplifier. Here differential amplifier is used in a 2 operational amplifiers. Okay, and output gives in a similar gain of the non-inverting amplifier. Here similar gain of the non-inverting amplifier. Okay, then next differential amplifier with by using the 3 operational amplifiers. Okay, by using the 3 operational amplifiers. Here 3 operational amplifiers. Okay, here the 2 operational amplifier differential amplifier is combined with the single differential amplifier having the variable voltage gain and very high is used and very high input resistance. Okay, in that the combination of the 2 operational amplifier differential amplifiers is combined with the single differential amplifier. Okay, ह्याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, सिंगल डिफरन्शियल एम्प्लिफायर काय केलेलं आहे, यूज केलेलं आहे, कंबाईन केलेलं आहे, हॅविंग द व्हेरिएबल व्होल्टेज गेन and very high input resistance. Okay, to achieve these 3 operational amplifier is used and shown in this the figure. Here used the V1, V2 and V3. That means the 1, 2, 3. There are 3 operational amplifiers here used. Okay, this differential amplifier consists of 2 stages. Okay, याच्यामध्ये किती स्टेज आहेत, 2 stages. In that the first stage is composed of operational amplifier A1 and A2. Okay, A1 and A2, these are the first stage. Okay, these A1 and A2 first stage. That means the A1 is the first amplifier, A2 is the second amplifier, while the second stage is formed by the operational amplifier A3. These are the second stage. These are the shows the dotted line. Okay, in that the first stage and second one A3 is the second stage. Okay, therefore the find overall output voltage V0. Here find out the overall output voltage V0. The voltage of each stage must be determined. Okay, in that the find out the voltage of the each stage in the stage first and stage second. Okay, then the first stage is viewed as the 2 separate differential amplifiers. Okay, here the first stage is viewed. Okay, as the 2 सेपरेट डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, V1 हा सेपरेट डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर यूज केला आहे आणि सेकंड V2 A2 पण हा ह्याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, सेपरेट डिफरन्शियल ॲम्प्लिफायर यूज केलेलं आहे. ओके, अँड द आउटपुट ऑफ देअर ॲम्प्लिफायर 2 ॲम्प्लिफायरचं आउटपुट हे कशाला कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे, कॅन बी ऑब्टेन बाय अप्लाइंग द सुपरपोजिशन थेरम फॉर द फिगर. ओके, इन दॅट द सुपरपोजिशन थेरम हिअर फिगर, second figure is the these are the op-amp A1 output. Okay, A1 output operational amplifier's output here figure shows. Okay, in a two first stage. Okay, A1 and A2 operational amplifier. Okay, for operational amplifier A1 output. Okay, A1 operational amplifier's output here right now the phi Z. Okay, here phi Z is equal to phi X plus phi Z T. Okay, phi Z here right now the phi T X. Okay, phi T X plus phi Z T. Okay, here right now the phi T X is the in bracket 1 plus R4 upon R4 plus R5. Okay, into phi X. Okay, minus R4 upon R4 plus R5 into phi T. Okay, threshold voltage. Okay, therefore right now this equation is the twice R4 plus R5 upon R4 plus R5 into phi X. Okay, minus R4 upon 4 plus R5 into phi T. These are the equation number first. Here these are the equation number first. Okay, for operational amplifier V2 output is these are the V1 output. हे कशाचं घेतलं A1 output, that means the first amplifierचा output आहे याच्यामध्ये आपण लिहिलेलं राईट केलेलं. सेकंड the operation amplifier A2 output. Okay, here right now the second operational amplifier A2 output phi T. Okay, phi T is equal to phi Ty plus phi T Z. Phi Ty plus phi T Z. Here right now the phi Ty and phi T Z in bracket 1 plus R4 upon R4 plus R5. Okay, into phi Y minus R4 upon R4 plus R5 into phi Z. Okay, and then right now the twice R4 plus R5. Okay, upon R4 plus R5 phi Y minus R4 upon R4 plus R5 resistor into phi Z. Okay, these are the equation number second. Okay, these are the output of A2 amplifier. A2 amplifier say output है. So the output of the first stage. Okay, here right now the output of the first stage, in that the phi ZT is equal to phi Z minus phi T. Here phi Z minus phi T. Okay, and in that equation right now the value of the first equation and second equation of the phi Z and phi T voltage. Phi Z and phi T voltage. Okay, ते ह्या इक्वेशनमध्ये काय करायचं व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करायच्या phi Z आणि phi T. ओके, ते पुटअप करा मी डायरेक्टली इथं लिहिते. ओके, हियर इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस R4 plus R5 upon R4 plus R5. ओके, phi X Y कॉमन केलेलं ते phi X minus phi Y हे phi X Y घेतलेलं आहे. देन प्लस here right now the R4 upon R4 plus R5. Okay, and here phi Z minus phi T is the phi Z T. Here right now the phi Z T. Okay, so here right now the phi Z T. Right now the here right now the phi Z T. Okay, phi Z T in bracket 1 minus R4 upon R4 plus R5. Bracket complete is equal to twice R4 plus R5 upon 4 plus R5 in a phi XY. Then this equation is the right now the in the cross multiplication here. Right now the phi z t in bracket r4 plus r5 minus r4 upon r4 plus r5 bracket complete is equal to, here right now the twice r4 plus r5 upon r4 plus r5 into phi x z. Okay, here cancel the r4 r4. Okay, then right now the equation again. Here the phi z, right now the phi zt upon phi xy is equal to twice r4 plus r5 resistor upon r5 resistor. These are the equation number 3. Okay, this is the voltage gain of the first stage. This is the voltage gain of the first stage amplifier. Okay, then now the output voltage for the second stage. Second stage output voltage काय असणार आहे? Here right now the V0 output voltage V0 is equal to minus feedback resistor RF upon R1 in bracket Vz minus Vt. Okay, then right now the output voltage V0 upon, here right now the Vz minus Vt is the Vz t is equal to minus Rf upon R1. These are the equation number 4. Okay, then the overall output voltage gain is, overall output voltage आपण काय राईट करणार आहे? A0. Okay, this overall output voltage P0. Okay, in that consist of the first stage amplifier output and second stage amplifier output. So here right now the A0 is equal to output V0 upon phi xy. Phi xy. Output voltage here right now the phi xy. Okay, here right now the output voltage phi 0 upon phi zt into phi zt upon phi xy. So in that from equation third and fourth, in that equation the third and fourth, here right now the A0 is equal to gain of the overall output voltage. A0 is equal to minus Rf upon R1. Okay, in bracket twice R4 plus R5 upon R5 bracket complete. These are the equation number 5. Okay, and here output voltage right now the V0 is equal to minus Rf upon R1 in bracket twice R4 plus R5 upon R5 into phi xy. Okay, output voltage is the V0 is equal to minus Rf upon R1, ratio of the feedback resistor into the input resistor R1 in bracket twice R4 plus R5 resistor upon R5. Okay, into phi xy. Okay, here gain is changed. Okay, here the gain is changed by varying the pot R5. Okay, R5 pot here in this figure shows the varying the pot R5. Okay, value is changed the varying the pot R5 and pot R5 never set to the 0. Always तो R5 pot हा कशावरती सेट केलेला असतो? 0 वरती सेट केलेला असतो. And in that gain in the equation number 5. Okay, gain in that the equation number 5. This equation number 5 is intermediate, and whereas if infinity the first stage acts as the voltage follower. Okay, in that the whereas the if infinity the first stage acts as the voltage follower circuit. Okay, these are the overall gain of the differential amplifier by using the 3 operational amplifiers. Okay, here completed the differential amplifier in that the by using the different operational amplifiers. Okay, in that the first by using differential amplifier with 1 operational amplifier, with 2 operational amplifier, and with 3 operational amplifiers. Okay, I think this article is today here completed. You got it, all of you. Okay, I think stop here. Okay, thank you all of you.